Right, the headlining on this vehicle has a stain. So far we've tried to remove it with water and solvents and nothing shifting. So we have to accept the fact that it is damaged, and so the next step is to use a product and high-powered ultraviolet light to reduce the colour or reduce the colour of the stain. Okay, and that's exactly what we're doing now. So we've just got to be patient, and we'll come back to this in a bit, and hopefully that will either improve or remove the stain. Right, 2 hours later, and that's the results. Managed to get rid of the stain. I've saved the customer a lot of money because it was looking almost like it was going to be a new headlining. The valeter had tried and tried, but unfortunately could not get that stain out, and I'd say that is most definitely livable now. That looks fine to me. So there you have it, folks.